Hi, welcome to my channel. Sorry for my English. English is my second language. In the second part of this video, I will be using AI voiceover. Please don't criticize me too much. Maybe you can give me advice if I should use AI voiceover instead of my own voice. I'm a professional woodcarver for the last 35 years. I started woodcarving when I was 11 years old. I specialize in classical hand carving using chisels. Few years ago, I started using power carving tools like Tremor to speed up the process of carving. This video is my attempt to do my first chainsaw carving. In the past, I did use chainsaw for carving, but only for the very rough cutting of the sculpture. Approximately 80% of carving I did with the large size chisels, and then gradually went to smaller and smaller chisel for the very detailed work. I decided to carve the bear holding the sign, address, and the owl sitting on a tree branch. For this chainsaw carving, I'm using 5.5 feet tree log. I'm going to have to make foundation for that chainsaw carving out of bricks and cement. Hopefully you're going to like the video and some of you will subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
Welcome, everyone. Today, I am going to talk about an incredible and unique art form that combines technology with creativity, the chainsaw carving of a bear and owl. This fascinating technique has been gaining popularity in recent years, and we're here to give you all the details you need to know about it. Chainsaw carving of bear and owl, the process. The first step in chainsaw carving is to carefully select the material. Traditionally, beechwood has been used for this art form, but modern alternatives such as pine or oak are also popular. The main reason for this is that the wood absorbs and redistributes the heat evenly, which ensures a smooth and even cut. Once you've chosen your wood, it's time to prepare the chainsaw. It's crucial to maintain your chainsaw's sharpness and ensure that it's functioning correctly. You can do this by regular sharpening sessions or by using a chainsaw sharpening tool. Now, let's move on to the actual process of carving. The artist starts by drawing the outline of the bear and the owl on a piece of paper. The bear is typically depicted as a friendly and playful creature, with a big heart and a cute little tail. The owl, on the other hand, is often portrayed as a wise and mysterious figure, with its large eyes and curved bill. Next, the artist places the bear and owl designs on the chainsaw's blade, ensuring that they are perfectly centered. The chainsaw is then fired up and started moving at a slow speed. The artist carefully cuts the designs out of the wood, making sure to maintain a steady and controlled pace. The beauty of chainsaw carving lies in its simplicity. All the artistic expression and creativity is done by the artist using their hands and a chainsaw. This means that the final piece is a one-of-a-kind, handcrafted creation that cannot be replicated. Chainsaw carving of bear and owl, professionals and beginners. Chainsaw carving is not for the faint of heart. It requires a great deal of skill, precision, and patience. Professionals in this art form have years of experience and have honed their skills through training and practice. On the other hand, beginners can still enjoy trying their hand at chainsaw carving. With some practice and guidance, they can develop their skills and create beautiful pieces of art that they can be proud of. In conclusion, chainsaw carving of bear and owl is a fascinating and unique art form that combines technology with creativity. It offers a unique opportunity for artists to express themselves and create stunning pieces of art that are truly one of a kind. Whether you're a professional or a beginner, there's no denying the beauty and skill that goes into each chainsaw carving. So, if you're intrigued by this art form, consider giving it a try and experience the magic for yourself. Please like and subscribe to the channel.